Hey everybody, it's Stephanie Davis with the Boulevard Company, and today I'm in Summerville, South Carolina, Wescott Plantation, 4996 Ballantine. This house is 3 bedrooms, 2.5 baths, and it's just under 2,500 square feet. I like that it has an extra parking space there on the left of the driveway that goes back behind that fence for boat storage potentially, or another car, or what have you. Has a 2-car garage, fenced in yard. It backs to woods, so very private backyard, and quite a bit of wildlife back there. So here's a look up and down the street. You do have sidewalks, pride of ownership shows. This house has easy access to Dorchester Road and the Oakbrook area in Ladson, Dorchester County Schools. Let's go ahead and take a look inside. So coming into the house, we have a wood floor entryway. The stairs. We have a formal living room and formal dining room, also with wood flooring set off by these columns. We have a coat closet here on the right, and then here's a half bath on the left. And back here, the kitchen opens up to the family room. Really open floor plan, great for entertaining. You have a U-shaped kitchen. So everything is right within reach. The other side of this refrigerator is the pantry and washer and dryer. There's a look back at the breakfast nook and the main living space. You have a gas burning fireplace, and the living room looks out over the backyard, which backs to woods. You also have the screen porch back there, which I'll show you here in a minute. That's the door to the 2-car garage. They do have this house on the nest, HVAC, so energy efficient heating and cooling. Let's go ahead and take a look upstairs. So upstairs you have 3 bedrooms, 2 baths, and a loft. I'm gonna start in the loft area. I have seen this floor plan where this is an enclosed bedroom. They're using it as a home office and home gym. It does have a closet, so if you absolutely need 4 bedrooms, I think it's pretty easy just to close off that space and add a door. But it's also really nice and airy up here with that as a loft. Here's your first bathroom. It has double sinks, shower and tub combo. There's a linen closet here. Here's bedroom number 1. It has a ceiling fan, looks out over the backyard. And then bedroom number 2. It also looks out over the backyard, has a ceiling fan. Across the hall is the owner's suite. It has a vaulted ceiling fan, very spacious. You could easily have a sitting room in this master bedroom. This is the bathroom. It has 2 sinks, lots of floor space here to move around, garden tub, and a glass shower. This is one of the largest closets you'll see. It actually has a his and hers side. Again, also one of the most spacious owner's suites that you'll see, just with the amount of living space in the bedroom alone. So let's look at the backyard. So I'm standing back here by the fence line. You can see the screen porch and that parking pad that I mentioned at the beginning of the video. That is a vehicle access gate there from the front yard. But here's a look around. It's a pretty spacious backyard, and again, it backs to these woods, which are so beautiful, and there's quite a bit of wildlife that shows up through here. If you'd like to take a closer look at this house, give me a call. I'm Stephanie Davis with the Boulevard Company, and my number is 843-870-0890. As always, I appreciate you watching my video. See you next time.